hand is moving. Mommy, my hand is moving. Mommy, my hand is moving. Load up, load up, load up. Walk, walk like this. Go, like that. I just like this. Load up, load up. I just see that. That was the walk, walk. I just hear the noise. The walk. Hello, evening.
Good evening, Mia.
What's your name, Moon?
What's your name, Moon? Moon na gani na siya, no? Snow moon.
No, Moon?
It's a snow moon.
Yes, I
Hmm.
just call him his name.
What name?
His name is No Moon.
Okay.
Did you like it?
Very. May I see? May I see? Uy. Wow.
Okay, this is for you. Right, Lucky is
What are you doing?
I'm making Zaki.
Chucky?
Yeah. Okay.
Wakay lingaw? Day, wakay lingaw, day.
Look at me and my Zak. Look. This is me and my Zak.
Louie, what happened to you? Is it cold?
Mommy, can I see my video?
Okay.
Here. Danko.
Ha?
Danko.
Done na ka?
Oh.
Sige. Mia and Daddy are having a picnic outside the house. See?
Mommy, I eat the jelly.
Okay. Is it delicious?
Yes.
Oh, you like it?
Yes.
Oh, Daddy also like his food.
Dad. Mommy, can we go to the beach afternoon?
Maybe another day.
Another day?
Yeah.
Okay. But why is Daddy? I saw Daddy sleeping there.
Because he is sleepy.
He was not sleeping there. You tell Daddy to sleep there.
How about your halo-halo? I'm going to put that inside the ref, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Okay.
Mommy, Nago was full. Daddy blocked the door because I was trapped there.
Huh?
And I was so sad about it.
Why?
Daddy was not telling me because he blocked the gate. Because you call me a lot.
Huh?
But I was still standing there. Magos kasi lalong. Magos kasi lalong. The people is saying his name is Lalu. You'll say hi to him and then go like this. You will say
Okay, put it down. Do not bring it inside, because it has lots of cat's poop.
Catch poop, catch poop. Mommy, the auntie used my scooter.
Okay.
I was very nice. Yeah, you can be at there. Go sa beach or later go next year's. Next year's. Okay. Next year's. But later, magos kasi Landun. Landun. Say Landun. There. There. Can you say Landun? There. Can you say Landun? There. Diba? Can you say Landun? Landun. Okay. Next year's Landun is going to walk and he will say hi. Look. He will open that gate. If you say Landun say hi, you will ask him you want water. There. Say you. Is this your car? There. Know it? Know it? This? Is this ours? Gonna drive casa car? Do you have a motor on the car? Do you have a motor on the car? But mabalhin siya. Mabalhin. Kaya mabalhin kaya. Suka. Huh? I cannot see. He was playing with me yesterday. Did I look silly? Okay, you laughed at me and then I did. Okay, you laughed. Funny, right? Speak tayo.
Diray na po kumang limpyo. Yeah, humanang varnish. Ako yung nag-varnish ano yan. Thank you sa ulan. Kaya nabisibisa na akong mga tanom. Hello! Mga untaog. Bread. Nasa nato ni. Usahay mo kung kaupan. Dili man always. Pero for today, ito. Bilahan ko ano yung mga palaman. Pure ube from the mountain province. Benguet. Tunga na lang. Kay. Tunga na lang eh. Di ata palagi upan. Kay. Org usara dire. At dudong lakaw. Mga apo to asibo. Ko anak po to asibo. Koryo usara. Pero peaceful. Kay kara usara. Coffee.
Tapos gusto ko rito yung kaya pa. So yun naman yung ginangatong role dito sa mga break natin pa. Yung mga bromeliads ko na medyo yung mga malalaking bromeliads dito ko nilagay.